This is Alicia with the Desert Winds How to Knitting Guide. Continuing in our lessons today, we're going to be doing our first decreases. Now decreases, you have your number of stitches, that's going to be going down for your total number. Now we're going to start with the most common, which is abbreviated K to talk, which is knit two together. Okay? So when you're knitting, you're going from the front, going through the hoop, backwards, looping around. Well, instead of going through one, you're actually going to go through two. I put my yarn around, and then I pull it through. It's a little harder than a regular one. And then I let both of those stitches fall off. Okay? Put it through not one, but two loops. Yarn around, keeping constant contact, pull it through, let those stitches fall off. Through one, through two, yarn around, pull through, stitches come off. Okay. Want that to go through both loops. Let it fall off. Going through both. Through one, through two, let go. Now, as you look at this, kind of see they're all slanting to one side. That's what happens. Another example of this, I'll show on this hat. You can kind of see how it's doing it, because that's where all the decreases are. Just kind of slanting up. But that's how you knit two together.